3, 2, 1.
What is the traditional Japanese robe called? The answer is A. Kimono. Which physical feature exists both on Earth and on the Moon? The answer is C. Mountains. What has a face and two hands but cannot feel? The answer is A. Clock. What is the name of the second longest night of the year in terms of darkness hours? The answer is B. Winter solstice. What is the only nation without a permanent river? The answer is A. Vatican City. What is a date mainly used for? The answer is B. Sleeping. What is the largest church in the world by volume enclosed? The answer is B. Basilica of Our Lady of Aparecida. Which one of King Lear's daughters is sent into exile after she refuses to profess her love for her father? The answer is B. Cordelia. Which of these is not one of Benjamin's kids from the 2000 movie The Patriot? The answer is A. Elizabeth. Which character from Friends was played by Matthew Perry? The answer is A. Chandler Bing. Which element is used in insulin production? The answer is A. Zinc. If the world were a village of 1,000 people, what would the per capita income in USD, Alice method of the villagers be? The answer is A. $7,000. What is the title of J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series? The answer is D. Harry Potter. Who invented calculus? The answer is A. Sir Isaac Newton. Which philosopher was known for his theory of emptiness? The answer is C. Buddha. A tree is 20 meters tall. An ant is climbing it. Every day the ant climbs 5 meters, and each night it descends 4 meters. In how many days will the ant reach the top of the tree? The answer is D. 16. Which game introduced the Mario character? The answer is A. Donkey Kong. What is the main ingredient in baklava? The answer is B. Butter. Who wrote the Southern Gothic novel Absalom? The answer is D. William Faulkner. Which constellation does Polaris North Star belong to? The answer is B, Ursa Minor. Where was Daredevil performer Steve-O from Jackass, the movie born? The answer is C, Wimbledon, London. Which hormone regulates growth and development? The answer is C, growth hormone. Which star is the North Star for Northern Hemisphere? The answer is A, Polaris. What is the name of the ancient Greek unit of time equal to 2 hours? The answer is A, decaora. How many times did Lawrence Fishburne turn down the role of Ike Turner in What's Love Got to Do with It? The answer is B, 5. Charles Carl Roberts entered a schoolhouse in Nickel Mines and shot 10 students and teachers, killing 5. To what peaceful religious group did the victims belong? The answer is A, Amish. Who was the first woman to be elected as a prime minister in G7 countries? The answer is D, Jacinda Ardern. Double strands of what wrap around histone proteins to form nucleosomes, which are coiled into a chromatin fiber. The answer is B, DNA. What is the world's driest desert? The answer is D, Atacama. The properties of liquids are intermediate between those of gases and solids but are more similar to. The answer is A, solids. Which philosopher is associated with the philosophy of skepticism? The answer is C, David Hume. During the Peace of Amiens, fictional adventure series character Hornblower is beached and penniless. How does Hornblower make ends meet during this period? The answer is B, playing whist. What is a period of rapid and widespread inflation in prices and falling real income? The answer is D, stagflation. Which Greek god took Persephone to be his queen in the underworld after she ate his pomegranate seeds? The answer is B, Hades. St. Catherine's Monastery was built by order of which emperor? The answer is C, Emperor Justinian. Writer J.R.R. Tolkien was born on January 3, 1892 in which country? The answer is B, South Africa. What romantic comedy movie, starring Julia Roberts and Richard Gere, featured Mark Anthony's song You Sang to Me? The answer is D, Runaway Bride. The pull of gravity on objects increase as what happens? The answer is D, the object is brought closer. What is a device used to iron clothes called? The answer is A. Steamer. What type of fatty acids have bent chains? The answer is D. Unsaturated fatty acids. What type of animal is the gold tegu, found in South America? The answer is A. Reptile. Which company launched the first commercially available computer, ENIAC?
The answer is A. IBM.
Who is the author of the United States Bill of Rights? The answer is A. James Madison. Which household item is used for measuring temperature? The answer is A. Thermometer. What flows and never freezes, yet is always cold? The answer is D. Secondhand. What is always on time, but never too late? A calendar. The answer is B. Calendar. What red vegetable is often used for garnish and as a pizza topping? The answer is A. Beetroot. Where was actor/director/writer/producer Peter Riegert born? The answer is C. New York City. And why? In Moby Dick, who is the captain of the Pequod? The answer is A. Ahab. What's green and sings all day?